Hey everybody, Aaron and Jason Meadows here with Meadows Garage Doors. Today, we want to tell you how do you figure out how much my garage door repair is going to cost.
It's the number one question that we take whenever somebody has their door break. They'll give us a call. Hey, how much is this going to cost? If they're not asking us, it's what everybody is thinking.
So let's get to it. What are the three things? Number one, the company that you have come out to your home. Number two, are you having a major garage door component failure or a garage door opener issue? And then number three, the quality of parts that the chosen company is going to be using during the repair.